Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. You're right, don't come as I want to talk about the match where Thomas Partey go play for this international break with Ghana. So Baba Conta say make Thomas Partey dey very careful because we can't afford to lose him in this international break where we say we'll get 10 games to go because the guy is very important for that position. And they make things they tick you get because now be the confirmed professional protector security what we get. Now be our stabilizer you get. So they also make them very careful. And for me, I understand in a right fears. Yes, I see the fear say because you say Africa Cup of Nations they are on a German blah everything a power you get. Before you know now they don't slide one person now, they don't get injury. So they appeal to the Ghana FA. Make them take them very easy. Make you know they're going to play party 90 minutes. I beg go make them take them easy. We don't want to hear story that touch the heart. So now we till they talk about. So well, let's just say everything ends. Yeah. Ramsdale self don't come as I call the talk say Arteta and the staff gets of Arteta and then they very key to Arsenal's progress. They key to our form, our team spirit. Get the way then they coach us, they reason with us, and say in short, say anybody they come for training now, they come with a smiley face. Like people are happy to come to training early. Unlike before, if you say egos full for the training session, this time around people they come, they'll drop their ego for the gate before they enter the London Coney or before they enter the Arsenal Stadium, drop our gate. By the time when they go house, you can't carry your ego, they go back. People are happy to come here and people would like to stay late before they go house. Like this place, the camaraderie, the bonding, you get that they're like a family, you get. So Papa just did very happy with the way where the team they happy, you get. And also all of us get one main goal, 10 matches to go, 10 finals, and let's see where the luck takes us, you get, because we also get luck for football because where would they play? Some kind of unbelievable things just they happen again. Our hard work they cause. And away from that, even Ramsdale self when they talk say if Papa they threaten now, say he won't call Mikel Arteta, say make Mikel stop to they ask Ramsdale to they play from the back because whenever Ramsdale they play from the back, the team they like if they affect and they give a high blood pressure because he go dey fear because most of the times they go almost one callable for Ramsdale but Ramsdale just escape pass the ball. Even Ramsdale come they explain say don't be say when them born am when they start to play football say now so he don't always play from the back like he dey good with his feet too. Say na lie you say he play for Bolton. Even Bolton pursue and come out for the academy don't say no dey good enough because of his height. So then they play with like now until he join England all those youth team you get they come dey train am without to use the ball and on your feet. Even when he play for Sheffield United and then self come groom am up, come bring up on the letter and say okay play like this, play like that to get see before Arsenal come see am last get they come sign am get. So it doesn't mean saying so he don't play before. That was why he was able to dislodge the likes of Ben Leno from the Arsenal setup because he they play with the ball on his feet. He's a good ball deliverer. You get the guy they deliver ball very well. So it is what it is. Right to say if your Papa just stop that thing, say no, they like to tell Papa or tell Papa say go ahead now. Because everything I say go ahead now, Papa will just call me because he gave me phone number. I'm gonna tell you me laugh. It is what it is. It's funny. On my way from that, so Martin Keown will be one of Arsenal legends. Baba still they believe say Man City have all it takes to win this EPL title to get. Forget say maybe be Arsenal legend, say na your own opinion be that. So back when they explain to buttress in points, so they talk say like Man City now, the reason we make a lot of people still believe Man City can win the league is because Man City have proven it to everybody that they know or they have what it takes to chase a team down the wire and leapfrog that team and win the title or win the prize. Let's say then get that ability because for you to have won the league title 4 times in the last 5 seasons, come on, people supposed to fear you. But for Arsenal never win this league title in the last 2 decades, which is about 20 years. They never win them again. So like what Pep they always talk. Pep because say forget what points they talk say Man City go win and Man City no go win. Do you know that in the EPL Man City never go beyond like 4 weeks straight win. They never go beyond that again because to show you say they know they as formidable as they were in the previous season. Even Pep self they concede for the fact say Arsenal have more of the burning desire and more of the focus, the determination to win the league title because they've not tasted it for a very, very, very long time. Unlike them, we see that they collect time anyway, so maybe complacency might catch up with them. You get, and for the fact, say, them going to look so okay, Champions League now be their holy grail. They've collected the league title in the last 5 years 4 times. So if they're not collecting this time, nobody will talk anything about them. So it is their prerogative to say, okay, let us go for the Champions League and see how we can collect it. That is why I'm of the opinion, say, if Pep Guardiola puts Champions League as a priority, Congo winner, nobody's going to blame them or cast aspersions against them. Say, okay, maybe they know win the EPL. If you're not like 4 out of 5 times, we'll talk about them. So that's where I see them. So well, let's just watch at the end of the video. Like for me, I don't subscribe to the line of thoughts of Martin Keown. No. I don't subscribe to the line of thought because as they be like in the belief say Arsenal have the games against Chelsea, have the games against Liverpool, Man City, it will be very, very difficult. As they talk and those themselves they have games against us. What? Are we in the first position out of fluke? We're not there out of fluke. We're playing good football. That's why we are there. So as we fear them, or if you think so, they fear them, themselves they fear us too. You get? We are like a threat to them too. That's what people need to understand. Don't look at things one-sided. Always look at it and balance your argument. Look at it this way. Look at it this way. Don't just be looking at it in fact, okay, Man City we beat them. What if Arsenal beat them? Let that also be a point in your argument. So that's why I don't subscribe to the line of thoughts. It will also be difficult. The games against Man City at the Etihad, the game against Liverpool at the Anfield, it's not going to be easy for them too. Alright, so away from that, so Tomiyasu don undergo a knee surgery on Tuesday and he will miss the remainder of the season. Arsenal announced am officially, so it is official news. Bye bye to Tomiyasu. So it is just a pity. It is such a pity that we lost Tomiyasu at the same time we lost Saliba again. That is why we could bring in a Rob Holding. It's just the unfortunate. Well, I wish him all the best of luck. Make him recover quickly, so that we will see ourselves next season. By the time we start hearing the Champions League anthem at the Emirates. Come on, I was very, very happy. On another controversial news, Erling Haaland don't get groin injury. He gets. So he going for international duty with Norway. Norway is supposed to play Euro 2024 qualifiers with Georgia and Spain. But the Norway coach come announce and say the guy they feel pain for his groin. So for that reason, he has returned back to the Etihad to Man City. So now this news, when they break them yesterday for the media space, a lot of Arsenal fans don't talk saying fake news. Say Pep Guardiola with Man City. Pep Guardiola and Alan and then plan am say na fake news. They just want to make sure say the guy dey available for Liverpool, saying go rest. Even though Fabrizio Romano said break the same news, say it is confirmed, say the guy no be fake news, the guy get injury. But one thing people need to understand me say, if you feel say na fake story, maybe the plan am, that means you are trying to tell me that the Norway coach is part of the plan, and you're trying to tell me say the allegiance of Erling Haaland to him country, they get any words, no mean anything. Say maybe the club allegiance supersedes country allegiance, and I would say that's the capital no. You get, it is possible that it is true the guy get the injury, because you can't tell me he's not playing ordinary friendly. We are talking about 2024 Euro qualifiers. So don't go tell me saying go talk say no one play. So Arsenal fan will talk say for that reason make Odegaard self come back, make Arsenal fake his own injury, make him come back. See, may not just leave all these conspiracy theories. Some medical personnel self don't come outside and talk say it's quite true that he has a groin injury, but we don't know the severity. It is quite possible say the groin injury no dey serious. The essence of bringing him back to the Etihad is for them to do tests, to run tests on him and know the severity. The severity now go determine whether he go play against Liverpool. But let's say there's grade 1, there's grade 2, there's grade 3. Groin injury no be something we say they go away easily. You can even play with it. You can play through pain. Don't forget that Emil Smith will get this groin injury for a very, very long time. He just they keep him until at a point he could not keep it again. He now had surgery. You can only forget history. Don't forget. So this same thing happened to Erling Haaland. Now he can still use that groin injury and play against Liverpool. It doesn't matter. He will just play through the pain. But it depends on the severity. If it is grade 3, it's going to miss 8 to 9 matches. So it depends. So as of now, there's no prognosis. There's no test result. We are waiting for the result to come out. When it comes out, we will know how serious it is. That's the essence. Remember when Thomas Partey said they're saying getting injury for Ghana? We'll just carry and fly and come back to Arsenal just to do tests on him to know how serious the thing is. That's the essence of him coming back. Not that he's coming back because he's hale and hearty. He's coming back to run tests, to know the severity, they will know what's the way forward. So we'll just know. And some people when they ask, say, what is the relevance to this news to Arsenal? Is he an Arsenal player? See, Why do you think in the press conference they will ask Mikel Arteta Man City related questions? Why do you think they will ask Pep Guardiola Arsenal related questions? Because our fate is intertwined. If you don't know it today. Get, if Erling Haaland is injured, you don't put Arsenal as we don't win the league, because he is that go-to guy when it comes to goals. You cannot compare Julian Alvarez and Erling Haaland. That is the relevance I'm telling you. It's important. If Partey get injured today now, Man City fans will be very, very happy. If Saka get injured today now, Man City fans will be very happy. If Odegaard get injured, Man City fans will be very happy. So understand that our fates are linked. Again. So if their key players are getting injured, we will be happy. You may not be happy, but I will be happy. So it is what it is. So away from that, so the Ukrainian FA don't post for Twitter. They got a post video of Zinchenko and Mudryk. Come put handshake emoji. But let us know, so two of them don't make up. They don't settle their differences, because the Ukrainian FA knows there's a bit of bad blood with them. Because if you remember, Mudryk was supposed to come and join Arsenal. Even Zinchenko's wife, Lena Sedan, will be journalists, interview Mudryk, help sell Mudryk to the world. You get Mudryk explain everything, saying go like to join us, and say if the opportunities come to go and stay in the bench in Real Madrid and to join Arsenal, saying go join Arsenal. Like a lot of things were said, so people were expecting him to come and join. So he felt to be holdouts for Arsenal, but he can go join Chelsea. As he joined Chelsea, Zinchenko unfollow him for Instagram, and wife unfollow. I don't know, some people unfollow him, but now I think they've made up. So well, this is what it is. So they'll be brothers. So we'll just move on. Lazio, they set sights on Bologna midfielder, what they call Lewis Ferguson. So they want to use him as a replacement for Sergej Milinkovic-Savic, where Arsenal the reason say they will sign at the end of the summer. So I don't know, I just happy to see they don't identify their own targets. But the question is, will Arsenal still go back for Sergej Milinkovic-Savic? Because don't forget, once upon a time we'll go for this guy. This guy don't want me to sign him. So now we say everybody on the season will qualify for Champions League next season. It's not the reason our matter, and I don't think Lazio is qualifying for Champions League, so it's not the reason our matter now. So are we going for him, or are we still going for Declan Rice, or are we still going for Moses Caicedo? Because the three of them play almost identical positions, so I don't know how it will be for the summer. We'll go know, because we still need to strengthen to activate our phase 4, because next season we are not going to Champions League go and add up the bodies. We are going there to compete with the best of the best teams in the world. So we'll just go. Even for the international level, they're going to show us pictures of Saka and Declan Rice. So the speculation out there is the fact say Arteta don't give Saka the mandate. Tell us to make him go woo Declan Rice. Tell us to make him come join us at the end of the summer. But the problem is, can I start paying £100 million for Declan Rice? Though I don't think say he will reach that kind of amount, because West Ham, what if they can't go relegation again? So anything can happen. Let's just keep watching, Sean. Even Emmanuel Petit can come and start to talk about Rob Holding. Can't talk say no be fan of Rob Holding, but as we don't get injuries now, we don't bring in Rob Holding, so we don't have a choice. We have to support him, because for him, Rob Holding is very, very slow and he's not really the aggressive he gets. That's why he's not really bad with the guy. But just the unfortunate say Tomiyasu get injured at the same time with Saliba get, because if say Tomiyasu still there, Tomiyasu will play right back, then Ben White will go play centre back again. So now so in think am, but it's not happen like that. So let's just support all our players. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, out.